Yeah, Mom, no, I'm just arriving home right now.
Yeah, no, I'll call you back. I have to make dinner and then I'll call you back.
All right, okay. Tell Dad I say hi.